Welcome to this tree hugging meditation. By now you should be in nature, next to a beautiful, tall, and strong tree. If you can, remove your shoes. And then just stand in front of this beautiful tree. Close your eyes, bring your attention to your heart center. Visualize the green torus field shooting in front, coming back all around. Pulsating fractal of coherence towards this tree. As you feel all the fractals moving in harmony in your chest, your lungs, your physical heart, and all the cells in your heart center, you can feel those patterns shooting out. And you can sense, know that the tree, your new friend, is receiving that green ray, love energy. Now, rub your palms together, creating friction, and then put them apart. Feel the energy moving from one palm to another, opening the chakra inside of your hand. You are shooting green ray energy from your heart, moving through your arms, and going out of the palm of your hand. Now redirect your palms towards the tree, sending beautiful love from your heart and from your palms. In your mind, repeat after me. Dear tree, dear extension of Mother Earth, thank you for your presence, your beauty. Thank you for showing me the way on how to embody strength, how to connect with nature, how to be one with all. How to embody my role in the collective forest where everything is interconnected. Thank you for cleaning the hair on Mother Earth. Thank you for exchanging your beautiful energy with me. Thank you for your reminders on grounding, connecting with my root, feeling the soil, feeling my Earth Star chakra, feeling the foundation of Mother Earth. Thank you for showing me the way towards communion with our dear Mother, Pachamama, Gaia. Thank you. I'm grateful for your presence, your wisdom. Now hug the tree. Give it the biggest hug you ever give to anyone. Feel it From your heart, the palms of your hand, feel the warmth, the calmness, safety, the feeling of home, stillness, presence. Fall in love with this tree.